In front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading any app you wish to set up as your new default one. In my case, Firefox browser. When your app is ready, you don't have to open it. You can simply exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. In Settings, you need to scroll down to click on Apps. Select the default apps over here. And finally tap on any of those sections you wish to manage, like Browser app. Now click on an app you wish to apply as your new default one. And when you're ready, just go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!